Hey everyone, it's Bunnibi, and today I'm going to be unboxing the My Hero Academia Hello Kitty Funko Pops. Make sure to stick around because I will be doing a second video, a part 2, with more pops from this series. First, I'm going to unbox Hello Kitty All Might. She is number 791. And here's a closer look at the back and all the different ones you can get. Alright, let's open it up. Here she is. She's super adorable. And here's a closer look at her outfit. And you can turn her head so you can have her looking different directions if you want. Next, we have KEROPPI TSUYU. He is number 796. Alright, let's open it up. Here he is. He is so adorable. I love this one so much. Here is a closer look at his outfit. And his head turns too. Next, we have My Melody OCHACO, and she's number 794. My Melody is one of my favorites, so I'm very excited to get her out. Here she is. She's so cute. She's got her long pink bunny ears and a cool helmet. And a bunny tail. So cute. And here is a closer look at her outfit. And she does stand really well for not coming with a stand. Next, we have POCHACCO DEKU. Alright, here he is. Super adorable. Got a little tuft of hair on his head. And here is a closer look at his outfit. Hello Kitty is around 3 inches tall, and so is KEROPPI, about 3 inches. My Melody is about 4 inches tall because of her ears, and POCHACCO is about 4 inches as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to stick around because a part 2 will be coming soon. Likes and subscribes are greatly appreciated, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!